The year 2022 has been jam-packed with several activities for Support Humanity Cameroon. According to its national coordinator, Sunday Geoffrey, it has been a most fulfilling year for the Environmental Conservation Organization, which earlier this year was selected to host the Global Landscapes Forum Yaounde Chapter. To begin with, Support Humanity received a seed fund to carry out restoration initiatives in different areas. Some of the activities carried out in the year 2022 include the establishment of a solar-powered nursery in Bamukumbit in the northwest region of Cameroon. This is used to water tree seedlings instead of using watering cans.
You receive fence, no?
15 hectares of degraded forest areas earmarked for restoration have been fenced. Here, 7,200 seedlings have been planted for the tree planting activity. The results are outstanding. Other activities carried out include maintenance, ring weeding, and fire tracing.
We have been able to promote the regeneration of 15 hectares of this land through the fencing of the land. Initially, our thought was to prevent cattle encroachment, and later we realized that the vegetation cover of this land has regenerated, and we are seeing a rebirth of biodiversity. We are seeing that the ecosystem of this area is being fully restored. I mean, this has been a very huge motivation to our work in 2022, and we have also decided to move from just tree planting to tree growing. That is why we are prioritizing also maintenance and most importantly fire tracing.
This has been beneficial for the youthful population who have been empowered in land degradation restoration.
We would not see steady project for make forest and put beekeeping farming. It shows say small time while you there will get work. So we thank the people then.
We have seen that this project of the forest and beekeeping farming. Very soon our youth will have something doing. So we appreciate the people who came with this project. We have so long trained many CIG, but we haven't seen what we could embark on. But through this project, we have just started. Youth are hoping that through this, our cry will be heard, so that we can have little jobs that we can be doing to sustain our families. Because as we find ourselves on this hill, our Mbororo youths are not going to school. We are trying to make them join us in doing other things, like this beekeeping. Now even young girls are joining us. When we talk about forced marriages, it's due to the poor situation. Girls have nothing doing other than give birth. So we are hoping for so many things. Since we have joined our brothers in this activity, it means tomorrow we are going to have better things doing. We build our bridges by ourselves. This our waterfall, everything, the youth are trying to build them. So we need support. We cultivate rice, tomato, and every other crops. But we face challenges like lack of tractors and all the likes. So we make use of hoes.
And all crop them. For the way we know the overwork because we suffer plenty things for like tractors and all the light we will not get, and we only use a hoe, and for they will not succeed fine.
You'll be happy, but you'll not be able to express your happiness.
All of these activities cannot be done without the participation of the local population. To therefore ensure they get on board actively, SUHUCAM organized 2 community dialogues on land restoration and agroforestry with traditional authorities, women, youth leaders, some from the indigenous Bororo community, and smallholder farmers.
Participants, they have achieved something, especially concerning the restoration of the forest. So we thank the facilitators and all the participants. So thank you very much.
A second dialogue on bushfire was equally organized with Bororo community.
As has been emphasized concerning the problem of bushfire, we would protect it, clean the place, and burn the edges. And we would sensitize our people around as well. That is what we have discussed about. And I hope It will work because it is going to be beneficial to us all.
Organizing community dialogue was also a plus because this enabled many people within this community to mobilize and support our initiative, and also sensitizing the Mboro communities on the effects of bushfire on the environment. I mean, will also help in the effective growth of these trees, because we've understood that sensitization is key to everything that we are doing. Educating and involving the communities are key to everything that we are doing, and we are just so proud that we are ending this year on a very positive note.
Thanks to these capacity building workshops, community volunteers, women, youth, smallholder farmers, and bororo grazers have been very instrumental in tree planting and the restoration process, as well as in the maintenance, monitoring, and evaluation processes.